Okay, welcome everyone. So today we'll be looking at this one. Came in for a charging port issue. So let's take a look at it first. Let's take out the charging ports. We have a replacement right here. Now we want to use to change this. So just basically a sub panel replacement. Okay. That came out easy. So let's see what was previously done on this charging port. Okay, let's just see. So right here we have a lot of flux on the board. Okay, somebody worked something here. Well, okay. Okay, let's just replace this with a new one. So right here we have a spanking brand new one. Okay, so come on, focus on that. So we're using this to replace that. Okay, so just a quick replacement. We connect everything. Place this back. And then we test to make sure it's charging. We don't have our meter out yet, but let's get that out. There we go. Okay. Okay, we'll have charging. Let's change the charger we are using. Anyways, see if there's any improvement in the current. 0.4. Okay, 0.9. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's screw that in. We connect and screw that in. Okay, and that's done. So I just have to cover this up, and that should be all. Let's make sure it fits well. Okay, just start charging, and we have it charging. Okay, thank you.